Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 1st, 2026. I'm hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. I bet it's a great Sunday evening. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. I also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got. I can't believe it's already February the 1st already. Sorry for no video last night. I had something to take care of last night. But tonight I'm back with another video, and we're going to take a look at the lower 48. Also, I got a good snowfall today. Got couple inches of snow out of this event over here in South Carolina where I'm located at. Other areas got about 4 to 6 inches. Some even got a foot in the northeastern portion of the state, also stretching into North Carolina. I hope everybody enjoyed the snow. This looks like maybe we could have some more snow, could be coming up later this month. I will continue to monitor the trends and see what happens. I will pass that information along to you as soon as it comes in available to me as well. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and take a look at the storm system here. Here's that storm system here that brought all the snow to the Carolinas. Also had yesterday had a wind gust of 99 miles per hour. Low pressure off the North Carolina coast. It was if it would have been in the summertime, hurricane season, it would have been a Category 2 hurricane setting off the southeast U.S. coast. But anyway, this is the system here. Continue to bring precipitation all the way up to Rhode Island, Long Island, Rhode Island, Delaware, D.C., all the way up toward Maine, Newfoundland, also New Brunswick. You're getting some activity. Maine also. You got a little clipper system here moving across portions of Georgia, also in the portion of Alabama up toward Illinois. That will continue to just kind of drift on off to the south and east. Got another little system here across South Canada. This is our next weather maker here coming into the northwestern U.S., which move across the country. A cold front will bring some shower activity toward midweek. So expect some showers for you midweek time frame, Wednesday, Thursday time frame across the southeastern U.S. and also the east coast. Maybe some snow and mixed precipitation to the north. But anyway, from North Carolina, Virginia, southward, or into Florida, should be just rain and the cool. We got one more cold night. Tonight will be a very cold night tonight. So get ready and make sure you got your pipe secured and everything. Keep yourself very warm because it's going to be a very cold night again tonight. And then we're going to go into a warming trend, and the thing should warm up significantly after tonight. Tomorrow will be one more chilly day. Tuesday will be a little bit better, and then we're going to be climbing from there in the Carolinas and Georgia after this historic snowstorm across the east coast. In fact, I was calling for a foot of snow in portions of South Carolina and North Carolina, and we did get reports of some feet of snow up towards the northeastern portions of the South Carolina, up around Dillon County, around Dillon, Marlboro County area, and then pushed on into North Carolina. So pretty well nailed that forecast in that area. This one here was just a little bit below category, but anyway, we were saying about 4 to 7 inches of snow across the portion of northern Midland. We got pretty much, most areas did get about 4 to 5 inches of snow. Some areas did receive 7 to 8 inches as well. But anyway, just want to give you a little recap of what went on yesterday and tonight, since I didn't make no video last night. So give you a little recap of what happened here in South Carolina, if anybody's interested in it. And I hope everybody enjoyed the snow as well, if you are from South Carolina, North Carolina, in the eastern U.S. Got another storm system here moving into Mexico, Baja California. You can see another stream of atmospheric moisture moving into California, and that system here with Montana, North Dakota, and southwestern Canada. In the corner of the screen here, there's another system here moving into the northwestern U.S., which brings more precipitation as well. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. And we're going to take a look at your local forecast here in just a couple of seconds here. Hopefully it'll be up. Here we go. Alright, you can see we got snow from West Virginia to Pennsylvania to Ohio to Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, over towards portion of western New York State. We've got shower activity down in portion of Arkansas, northeast Texas, and southeastern Oklahoma. Mixed precipitation portion of Montana through the Dakotas, Montana, Idaho, Washington State. some shower activity there as well, stretching down in the northwestern area of Oregon State. Otherwise, expect your high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, let's see if we can roll into your Tuesday forecast now. And it should be coming up here in just a few seconds. As soon as it loads the graphic here. Okay, as you can see, we got mixed precipitation in Montana to Wyoming through the Dakotas, Colorado, New Mexico, North Texas. Then again from portions of northern Oklahoma through Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, portions of northeastern Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, snow flying in northeastern South Dakota, eastern North Dakota, and Minnesota and South Canada. Got more snow over here in portions of Lake Huron, over toward portions of northern Vermont, New York State, also into portions of Pennsylvania, Ohio, and areas of Indiana, Illinois, portions of D.C., Maryland, Delaware, all over toward New Jersey. Got mixed precipitation again from eastern and southeastern areas of Missouri to Tennessee to Kentucky to western and northern North Carolina, Virginia, and West Virginia areas as well. Shower activity from portions of North Carolina all the way down to South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Missouri, over to Oklahoma and Texas. And we got thunderstorms and showers stretching down here across Texas to Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and the northern Gulf as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's roll on into the current watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation. And it should roll out something like this here. Alright, you can see here we've got cold weather advisory stretching up here from portion areas of Massachusetts, Connecticut, also New York State, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, also D.C., West Virginia, North Carolina, also in the portion of Tennessee, South Carolina, also in the Georgia, also portion of southeastern area, Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, portion of the panhandle of Florida. Freeze warning is also in effect for portions of southern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, the panhandle of Florida, Big Bend area, all the way down to South Florida. Got some cold weather advisories also in effect for South Florida. And also they just upgraded here. While I'm recording this here, we have a cold weather warning for eastern areas of eastern Florida. Very rare to have that extreme cold weather warning for you guys. Over here in South Carolina as well, northeast South Carolina, eastern North Carolina, got winter weather advisory for central North Carolina as well. Coastal flood statements up here around the New Jersey, Delaware, and Maryland areas as well. Special weather statements up in portions of Wisconsin, southeastern areas of Minnesota, northeastern areas of Iowa. Some high wind warnings over here in southeastern areas of Wyoming. Winter weather advisory for northeastern Montana. We got some air quality alerts scattered about across areas of Idaho, and we've got dense fog advisory over Central California. Storm warnings in the purple from all the way from Maine all the way to the North Carolina coast. Then we got smoke crack advisory along the coastal areas of Maine, all the way to the Florida Keys, west coast of Florida, southern areas of California to Washington State. Also around the Alaska region, got coastal flood statements around the Hawaiian Chain Island, northern areas of Alaska, winter storm warning, blizzard warning, inland area, some winter storm warnings, and also we have some storm warnings, winter storm watches given for central areas of Alaska. Then we got storm warnings for areas to the south of Alaska along the coastal areas. Okay, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. We have some general thunderstorms to talk about for day 3. This is where from Houston to Lupkins to Shreveport to Alexandria, there's general thunderstorms in this area here. Could not rule out a severe thunderstorm warning as well in that general thunderstorm risk area for day number 3. Alright, rainfall totals over the next 7 days over the lower 48. Over here in the southwestern Canada, western and also the Pacific Ocean, you can see heavy precipitation pouring in Washington, Oregon State, northwest California, some pockets of heavy precipitation in areas of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and also Panhandle, Florida, portion of the Gulf, also Mississippi and Alabama. A few pockets here off the coast of South Carolina, western North Carolina, Tennessee, and West Virginia. And then we got heavy precipitation in the Atlantic coastal waters. This is that storm moving away from the area. That's where part of that's coming from there as well. From the off the Atlantic coastal waters. Elsewhere, kind of in the light green to the dark green, we're looking at about a tenth about 0.1 to a tenth of an inch, all the way up to maybe as high as a half inch in some areas to a quarter of an inch in most locations. Elsewhere where there's no precipitation, you're expected to remain dry during that period. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next ones. Have a wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.